careful, Ariana.
That's the one I was talking about before.
Is this an actual bird?
Yeah, they're alive.
Ariana, you gotta be careful.
What happened to Billy? Can't even see
He
anything.
doesn't have any eyes.
Don't be loud. Don't be loud, guys.
So you can't see.
You're gonna scare them.
Oh, they're stuck on there.
Isn't Lance so pretty?
Wow, they're all nice. Yeah, I thought they was like fake birds.
Sanford.
They're actually weird.
Actually, Sanford sometimes is out in front and you can see it.
Oh.
I wonder why these birds aren't outside.
Yeah.
Because look, they're small. They're really small. Like one, like this one has a fractured wing, and a missing eye.
You can take one and read one.
Yeah. I don't think you're supposed to take from there. You gotta take for the kitchen.
Look at this.
That's awesome. Hmm? Oh wow, check this out.
What are all the eggs? This one is the biggest one.
Wow.
Bald eagle is probably